Hello everyone. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to install extensions in Brave browser in 2026. First, open the Brave browser. Then click the menu icon in the top right corner and select Extensions. From there, choose Visit Chrome Web Store. You can also open the Chrome Web Store directly. Once the store opens, use the search box to find the extension you want to install. For this example, I'll select an extension from the search results. Next, click Add to Brave. A confirmation window will appear. Click Add Extension to begin the installation. Wait a few moments while Brave downloads and installs the extension. When the installation is complete, the extension icon will appear in the toolbar or in the Extensions menu. If you want quick access, open the Extensions menu and click the pin icon next to the extension to keep it visible on the toolbar. That's it. This is how you can install extensions in Brave browser in 2026. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more Brave browser tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.